Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate video stabilization in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add my video to the project, and then I'm going to activate the video stabilization. We can go to the AI tools menu here, and you're going to scroll down until you find the stabilization. Okay, and then you can choose the smoothness right here. I'm going to make it strong, and you're going to click on this option to start analysis. Okay, and then you're going to wait until 100%. And okay, now the stabilization has been applied to my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to activate the video stabilization in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!